What is reasonable suspicion and how do you know if police have it? Hi, my name is Corey Scott and I am a criminal defense attorney here in the state of Indiana. And I got to tell you, reasonable suspicion is just one of those legal concepts that is very hard to pin down. It's very hard to just say that this is it, It brings to mind that Supreme Court opinion that where one of the justices said, look, I can't define it, but I know it when I see it. And so reasonable suspicion, though, what is reasonable suspicion? Reasonable suspicion is where an officer or officers have reason to believe that a person is engaged in crime, is about to be engaged in crime. But here's the thing, though. It has to be more than a hunch, and they have to be able to, if they were pressed, they'd have to be able to point to a set of facts or circumstances that essentially explains why you stopped a person. Perhaps reasonable suspicion is one of those things that probably an example is the best way to really, define it out. So here's the thing. Let's just say, for sake of example, if a police officer is sitting across the street from a restaurant and out comes one of the patrons, he's unsteady on his feet. He's sort of, he's unsteady. He's unbalanced. He gets in the car, he peels out, and then he gets on the road and he's sort of swerving and not really being steady in his driving. That would be reasonable suspicion that this person is driving under the influence. And then if the officer were pressed in court, the facts that he would be able to point to would be, look, I was there, I saw him. He came out, he was unsteady on his feet. He peeled out of the driveway, and then when he got on the roadway, he was swerving. And so I had reasonable suspicion that this person may have been operating a vehicle under the influence. And so that's the way that would play out. So in a nutshell, it's more than a hunch. It's a situation to where an officer can point to facts or circumstances that say, hey, this is why I stopped this person. If you have any questions about this or anything else, reach out to me, give me a call, shoot me an email. I'd be more than happy to talk to you.